Happy Valentine's Day to all of you. First, I am using a sponge. When you are sponging, you have all your colors open and ready to go. I am going to take my first color, which is pretty red. You can go any colors that you want. And I am just going to sponge it onto the nail. On ring finger, I just apply red nail polish. After that, I'm going to write I and you and heart in the middle. Apply glitter polish on middle and ring finger. And finish it with top coat. Your V-Day nails are ready. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.